What are the disadvantages of hardwood is one of the most common questions I hear from woodworkers, especially beginners stepping into furniture making or custom projects for the first time. Today we're breaking down exactly what are the disadvantages of hardwood by looking closely at three major areas: cost, tool wear, and workability issues. And if you're getting into woodworking or looking to improve your skills, having clear plans can make a huge difference, especially when working with hardwood. That's why I recommend checking out Ted's Woodworking, which gives you access to over 16,000 detailed woodworking plans, plus helpful videos and guides to make building easier and more accurate. It's a great resource whether you're just starting out or tackling more advanced projects. I've left the link in the description if you'd like to take a look. While hardwood is prized for its strength, beauty, and durability, it also comes with some real challenges that can impact both your budget and your workflow. First, hardwood is significantly more expensive than softwood, not only because of slower tree growth, but also due to higher milling and transportation costs, which means mistakes during cuts or joinery can become costly very quickly. Next is tool wear. Dense hardwood species like oak, maple, and hickory are tough on blades and bits, dulling them faster and requiring more frequent sharpening or replacement, adding ongoing maintenance expenses to your projects. Then there's workability. Hardwood often demands slower feed rates, sharper tools, and greater precision, making it less forgiving for beginners, especially when ripping, planing, or sanding. And some species can tear out easily or burn during cuts if your setup isn't dialed in perfectly. Gluing and finishing can also take more effort, since hardwood pores vary widely and may need grain filling or conditioning for smooth professional results. So while hardwood delivers premium results, understanding these disadvantages ahead of time helps you plan smarter, protect your tools, manage your costs, and decide when a softer, more forgiving wood might actually be the better choice for your next project.